Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily disable GitHub Copilot in Studio Code. So what you can do is you have some use of command palette. So you will use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows and Linux. On Mac you will use CMD Shift and P, and then you will copy and disable Copilot completion. Okay. This is one way that you can do that. So the second is, if you go here to the bottom right corner, you will see this robot icon, which is basically the GitHub Copilot. Now you will see here inline suggestion, and you can just simply uncheck all of these boxes and you have successfully disabled it. Now, the third option is that you go where you install the extensions and type in GitHub Copilot Chat. Click on that and you will see here option disable all feature. So if you click on that, you will disable it, and yeah, it's pretty much it. Also, for temporary, you can also disable basically this GitHub Copilot Chat, that you can delete it from Visual Studio Code. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.